So the ultimate goal of MOC Forward is really to set that environment, to really create the forum for authentic dialogue on our campus. We don't want it to be just a one-day thing, because the MOC Forward says moving our campus forward, so it's really a movement, and it should really be a daily movement, but that movement throughout the year culminates in MOC Forward and kind of gives us that drive to keep moving into the next year.
I thought that it was powerful. It's okay to be different and to celebrate that diversity makes us better. We're stronger when we're different and can understand one another. This is one of the better MOC Forward conferences that they presented. I'm delighted at the participation. It's fall break and we have over 200 people in this thing. So I think diversity matters here at the university and we've got to continue to work on it.
We really want the conversation to be about intersectionality and looking at those different identities that sometimes collide, that sometimes interact, and how can we still build community with all the differences, with all the different identities that we have. And so the idea is to build on that momentum.